Ruhonge rwa uthuthuria wa mirimu ya mimera bururi-ini niruo KEPHIS ni ruthundurite njira njeru ya urimi wa waru na ngwaci, mubango uria uikaine ta tissue culture.
It's drought tolerant. Yeah. 2, it matures very fast. In 3 months you can harvest. 3, also this material you can feed your animals, the leaves. And if now we go across the sub-Saharan Africa, we have some communities which are eating the leaves as vegetables.
Njira ino ya uciarithania wa ngwaci ni ikuongerera maciaro hari murimi thengia ya urimi wa mbembe na mboco.
But now maize it's now being contaminated. Like now we have the diseases which are affecting maize, mosaic and also the armyworms. And now the inputs of also the maize is so high than this one. This one you just prepare your land and you prepare the heaps and you plant.
Naruo rwa uciarithania wa mbegu cia ng'ombe AI ni ruthundurite macini ya guthondeka gas ya nitrogen niguo kuhota kuguithia thogora wa mbegu ici hari murimi.
Mbere ni kugura turaguraga from British Oxygen BOC. Riu tondu ni tukoretwo tukiriha mbeca nyingi ri tukona tungikorwo na plant itu twithondekagire handu ha kuguraga ri niguo wega tondu ni tutumagira na njira nyingi muno niwe tumagirwo rabu processing ya mbegu noyo tucokaga gutumira tukipreserve mbegu iria i thiini wa storage.
Guku makiongerera na kurehe ndegwa mithemba itiganite na iria ingiciarithia mori ingiruta iria ringi. Thirikari ya kaunti ya Kiambu ni iri na mubango wa kunyitanira na honge ici iria migunda yao ya uthuthuria iri kaunti-ini ino niguo murimi wa Kiambu ambe ateithike.
If what we are thinking CS can come through and an agreement is reached between you and the governor about the utilization of this land, we can start to see not only applied research, but we will see resources that will be generated through the corporation being incorporated into research and therefore enhancing agricultural research in this country.
Korwo honge ici no cirutithanie wira na thirikari ya kaunti ino, arimi no magunike hanene.
Othe ni gutigirira ati murimi wa kaunti ya Kiambu ni aheo ng'ombe njega iria ina iria ringi na iria ingikorwo na umithio iri gwake nyumba akirithia. Handu-ini ha Inooro TV kuma ruhonge rwa guciarithania ndume rwa Kabete, Kiambu County, njitagwo Charles Gikunga wa Kariuki.